Hello and welcome. Today we're going to show you how to charge a NIMH nickel-metal hydride battery with the C1XR. Fantastic little charger. It's a fantastic little charger, but one massive problem: the instructions are absolutely terrible. So here we go. We're going to get this bad boy out of the box and we're going to find the charge cables. Now, quite handily, it does come with a nice bunch of charge cables for a whole host of different devices. You're going to unpack your device, grab those cables and find the two circular terminals on the right hand side of the device, one black and one red. And then take the subsequent black and red cables from your charge cable and insert them. Once you've done that, you're going to want to grab your power cable from out of the box and insert that into the opposite end of the device. Now, what makes the C1XR quite nice is the fact that it has a built-in power pack. You just need the cable, and once you've plugged that into the mains, it powers on. Now, my nickel metal hydride battery has a Tamiya connector on the end. I simply connect that up, and then you want to press the stop button repeatedly, the one on the left hand side, until NIMH battery. Now you want to select the plus button until the menu changes to NIMH charge man, and then select start. Now once you're in this menu, you simply want to press start to cycle through the various options, and the current we need to set at no more than 3.5 amps. And the reason we set that at no more than 3.5 amps is because our battery is a 3500 mAh, and likewise if it was a 2500 you'll set this at 2.5, and so on and so forth. And after we've done that, we can press start to select and then long press the start button to kick off charging. It will quickly check the battery and check that you've not entered any majorly incorrect settings. And as you can see there, it's charging at 8.3 volts, which is more than my 7.2 volts, but that is absolutely expected and normal. This is so the charger can get through the resistance of the battery, and that will go off and do its thing and make a lovely beeping noise when it's done, and then you're good to go. If you're looking for a charger, check it out. Links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.